Okay, here we are. Hey guys, I'm making a video. We're going to be bleaching my. It might look a little bit flaky. I had Joe in, don't come on for me, but I want to like take these right here. They're not even really hairs. Adult hairs on my camera, and make them a little bit more blonde. This is from the skunk stripe, so I'm gonna keep that. Really, I think I have my comb right here. Like I'm just gonna okay, like, you know, do like that and leave the rest in the ponytail or whatever. And then I'm using 30 volumer, and I'll use this one. We also have these other ones. Really, I don't have a specific brand that I use, but my mom got this one. They will probably out of the other one, which I'll probably put it somewhere if I can find it or remember to put it. Yeah, I need to rinse out my bowl because she literally just got done using it. It was purple. Then I'm gonna put red later. Probably when I come back from my cruise. I'll show y'all the red. I'll make another video. How about that? When I dye it red, I'll make another video. So I don't even know if these rubber bands are gonna actually like work. Let me see. I wanna like see what I'm working with here. These are kind of already blonde, like low key. Okay, got the powder. Why do I sound thick? And then, which one did she get? She got 32. 32, not 32. Okay, I kind of just winging. Like I said, I'm not a real one. I have experience, but it. Here's the consistency. Add a little bit more. The door is closed. I would recommend having the door open or the window open or wherever you are open. My lungs are already used to this, so yeah. Eyebrow? My eyebrow didn't grow back yet though, so dang, I should wait until it grows back. Like low key. Oh, I hope I didn't mess up the part. Oh, no, I didn't. Some people use foils or plastic bags or, you know, anything to keep the heat in. I used to use plastic bags, but I low-key just say forget it now, and I let it do its thing. Especially with the roots, because they be dying, they be bleaching so fast, so I don't even be cutting a plastic bag. Like literally, see? The parts that are already blonde, I'm kind of scared for. I don't want them to over bleach and start being crispy and fall off. You should also use gloves when you're doing this. As y'all can see, I'm not doing like literally any of that. Like everything I'm telling y'all should do, I'm not doing. And let's just leave that there. Oh, grays on my face. Let's just take note of that in terms of my character. Always have a designated towel. You can see this towel's been through some bleach. Never wear anything you really care about. It's a white shirt, so it's, I mean, there's some blue. It could get bleach on it, but I don't really care about this shirt. It's pretty much a night shirt. It's burning a little bit. And that is pretty much how I do it. I'll be back in like 5 minutes to look at how it looks. Maybe less depending. Okay, here we are. These parts didn't really get light, but I think I'm gonna leave it. And I'm trying to get to the skunk stripe real quick. I think I'm gonna lighten it up because it really low-key turned brown. Like low-key. I think it starts like right here. Lighten it up a little bit. Put the red on top. I was gonna leave it blonde, but I really want to put the red in. So do that and then redden it. Now if I can't get this part right, we gonna forget it. Well, actually I'm not that pressed because I'm doing red on my whole head, so it's gonna be like different tones of it, but I wanna have some parts of it stand out. Look key, this is way bigger than when I first did it. Hold on, I say this like an extra chunk of black here and an extra, okay, there's some extra right here too. Cool, I mean there's some over there, it'll be whatever it's gonna be. And then block that off right there. No, here. Yeah, whatever it's gonna be, it's gonna be. Because you can see this part back here, but I don't feel like doing that. Plus, yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. We have some extra bleach in the bowl, so we just gonna use it. Call it a day. And then, yeah, okay, I'll be back when I finish the whole bleaching process, because it's about to be a lot of rinsing. Ouch. Doing this with nails is really crazy. Cool. Cool. Okay, so I lightened up at the root. So that means when I brush it back, see, it'll be really light and then it'll fade into the rest. And I was like, okay, I gotta eat that up. I'm about to wash my hair with shampoo to actually make sure I get everything out. And then I'll show you guys the final product of it, like parted. I don't know if I'm gonna part it like this or just part it in the middle, and then we can see how it looks. But yeah, I'll be right back. Y'all, I forgot about the video. I started playing Sims, but here's how it looks in like a ponytail bun type of thing. You can't really see the inside, but when I do it back ponytail, I look tired. I'm about to go eat. But this is the end of the video. To see it styled, you'll have to watch my behind video, which I'm gonna do this weekend. I'm going this weekend. Well, I don't know in terms of, oh yeah, because I'm gonna edit this first before I leave, so I have a video for a week. That makes sense, right? And then when I come back, so yeah, the Bahamas video will be after this video. Y'all can see it then, or also on my Instagram, or just in the description.